Hey y'all, so we're gonna jump right in. The ponytail we'll be using today is from BetterLength. This is their Kinky Coarse. It's like the blowout texture of a ponytail. We're gonna get into the ponytail a little bit later. My hair is blown out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my braids. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hairline out because I don't want that to be gelled up. And I'm gonna be using some Got2b glue gel, enough to get my hair up. Since my hair is blown out, I don't have to use that much. But this is gonna have your ponytail super sleek and it's gonna last a lot of days, you guys. So I'm just gonna put that all over the perimeter of my hair, and I'm just gonna brush my hair going upward into a ponytail. Basically gonna gather all of my hair into the ponytail. As you guys can see, I'm just making sure the back is nice and sleek, how I like it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair tie on, and bam, I got a ponytail. You can go right into finishing your hair, but I am gonna go ahead and just wrap it up and let it sit like this overnight. So I decided to go ahead and wand curl the ponytail. So I just comb through a section and then I just wand curl it basically, and I'm using my smaller barrel. That's why these curls are super tight, and then I spray Got2b glue freeze spray on them so that they hold. When it comes to my baby hairs, I do the most sometimes, and today was one of the days where I did the most. So I started laying them down with gel so I could get them laid how I want them to look, and then I went in with some even edge tamer, edge control. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop those around, and then I went in with the Style Factor Hideout in black, and it just makes your edges like look fuller, and I really like that for me because I do have fine hair. So I'm just doing that, and now it's time to go ahead and apply the ponytail. Y'all see it has 2 combs and a drawstring from BetterLength. Shout out to them. Y'all know I've worked with them in the past. Love them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the drawstring tight, wrap it around, not too tight to where you get a headache, but tight enough to where it's secure. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start pinning into place. This ponytail is in 18 inches, you guys. Now that I'm done pinning, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the hair from the base and wrap that around so you can't really see the base of the ponytail, and I'm gonna pin it at the back, you guys. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and flip out my ponytail, and I'm done. And boom, just like that. You got a cute, curly, flirty ponytail. It looks so cute. But I actually started fluffing it out here. So I wanted to show you guys it with the curls tight, but this is just me fluffing it out, and this is so cute. I love wand curls and like kinky coarse, kinky straight texture of hair. It just looks so bomb. Like, look how much body the ponytail has. Like, get into it. BetterLength, they always come through. Love it, love it, love it. So y'all already know I gotta show y'all a few ways you can style it. You can push it over to the side. Boom, bam, you got you another look. Okay, yes. I already know I gotta hit y'all with that bun, so I'm gonna, you know, swirl the hair around, pin it at the back, but then we're gonna spice it up. We're gonna pull out a bit of the curly pieces, and boom, now you got your little messy curly bun. It's so cute, so flirty. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. Love it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with another one. I'm gonna flip the ponytail going forward towards my face, add a hair tie around the base. Okay, now you got you a bun and a bang, pull that hair over to the side. Get into it. Who doing all this with a ponytail? Yes. Love it. To get into it, y'all. Love the look. So I went ahead and split the ponytail into 2 sections, and I'm gonna do 2 large 2-strand twists. You can go ahead and get creative with this. I decided to have mine, you know, going crisscross applesauce. I'm going to flip that one back, pin it, and I'm going to pull the other one around to the front, pin that to the back. Get creative with it. Make it your own. And it has so much body because of the curls. And then I'm going to take my scrunchie, my hair tie, whatever you want to call it, put that around the base. and boom, you got you another look. You can switch it up all week with this ponytail. Get into it. So make sure you guys check out BetterLength. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The ponytail that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.